Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover text accidentally delete from a Google Docs file. So if you're working in any Google Docs document, guys, whether you're currently working on it now and you accidentally delete some parts of it, or it's a document that you've been working on over the last couple of weeks or months but would like to recover that document, I'm going to show you how to recover those deleted versions or part of that document that you've deleted. So as you can see here, I have a document open, and of course there are some parts of this document that has been deleted, and I'm going to take another part of it and I'm going to delete it. So let me press delete on my keyboard. I'm going to delete some more and so forth. So the way how you can easily go ahead and restore part of the documents that you've deleted is by simply pressing Ctrl Z on your keyboard. And as you can see, if you press Ctrl Z, it will restore. You can also find it again on the taskbar here. So if you look to the upper left, you have the undo. So you can simply go ahead and press it a few times and it will get back parts of that document that has been deleted. Now, if it's, let's say, a document that you've been working on over the last couple of weeks or last couple of months or whatever it might be, you can still go ahead and find parts that you can restore. But that's a little bit more tricky. But let me show you how to do it. All you have to do is just simply click in File, and then you want to go down to Version History, and then you want to click See Version History. So once you click on that, it will open up the versions of the document. So as you can see, this is the parts of the document. This is versions. You can also click the drop down here to see various times when that document was changed. So you can go ahead and find the point where you want to make that restore. So as you can see, I have multiple points here in this first option here where I made changes to the document, and if I click on various points in the document, you will see that it shows me what was there before and what I can restore. Now, before we make any changes there, you can also go back to even the first version as well. So how do you do that? You want to keep something in mind. Depending on where you want to restore the document, you have to keep in mind that if you restore the document, whatever changes that you have on the document now, it will not be there. So it will be changed entirely back to that version. So you want to be careful that you review the preview of the document carefully, and then from there you want to make changes to the document. I would also suggest that you even duplicate the document first, or copy the document content and store it somewhere in case you want to do a restore and you don't want to lose certain areas of the document or certain content of the document. But once you find a point in the document that you want to restore, let's say I want to restore to this point here, all I have to do is just select it, and then I can easily go ahead and click the tree that's on the right hand side of that and click restore this version, or I can just simply select it and click restore this version on the upper left hand side, and it will restore. It will give me a pop-up, then I click restore, and as you can see, it restored the document to this point. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.